Hello people, today we're playing Butterflip 3D. But this is obviously the worst video I've ever made, so yeah, you can tell this video sucks. Yeah, it's quite obvious. Toss, bottle. Whoever gets steamed that. Oh, that sucks. Going inside. TV. Perfect. Refrigerator jumping. Perfect fan. I want to play some pranks. Oh my god! This video sucks. Yeah, really sucks. Not to say that. No! Sorry for that. Some stupid ads. They came out of nowhere and they don't even know I'm recording a video in front of like 7.6 billion viewers. Not necessarily 7.6 billion though. This level's hard to me, mostly because my touch is not okay. Do I have a freaking sense of touch? No, I don't. Perfect. Oh shit, oh shit. Yeah. Call the spirit. It's basically like a Minecraft video that will get you panic. Can I get bottles? Okay, for gems. Oh. Okay, then I guess we don't need any stuffing things. Oh my god. Table, cupboard, chair that will help me get the boost. The sofa thing guy.
If cameras
Hey,
and artificial intelligence are the future,
this
they're
stupid
already in
ads.
Philips' new steam generator. It makes ironing effortless by recognizing any fabric and adjusting steam and temperature. New Philips Perfect Care 9000 series. Effortless ironing.
9000 series is actually also a train in
Roblox.
Roblox.
Philips.
The ad sucks. Alright, let's continue with the game. Vacuum cleaner. Perfect sofa. And whoa, those document files. Oh shit. Well, those document files, like, they were immune to falling. Did it just take me 4 minutes to go through 2 levels? Wow, how interesting. How videos don't really work that way. Hey, look, vacuum cleaner. You vacuum cleaner. No! Why does frickin' not this again?
Artificial intelligence in the future, they're already in Philips' new steam generator. It makes
Not
ironing
this
effortless
again.
by recognizing any fabric and adjusting steam and temperature. New Philips Perfect Care 9000 series. Effortless ironing, excellent results. There's always a way to make life better. Philips.
This ad, it keeps on popping up. Alright, so this will be perfect if we... outside anyways. Go outside. No. Alright, that's really good yelling. Wow. Shoot. Yes! Made it, bro! Mailbox. Ooh, did something new come in the post? Do I have tickets to a movie or something? Can I watch any of the movies on my older channel? Yeah, I keep on getting flashbacks from my older channel, seriously. Sausage. Watermelon. Watermelon. No, why is this ad always showing up? This ad sucks. Come on, when will this ad...
Already in Philips' new steam generator. It makes ironing
Sick of this ad.
by recognizing any fabric and adjusting steam and temperature. New Philips Perfect Care 9000 series. Effortless ironing, excellent results. There's always a way to make life better. Philips.
Why would the ad always show up? Oh crap. Hold on, the game's lagging. Is the game lagging? I think it is. Hold on a minute. Is Bottleflip 3D still working? Yes. Aced it. Also that I get steamed. Giant stump. Wow. Pizza boxes. Whoa, I almost died there. Not this ad again.
Artificial intelligence of the future. They're already in Philips'
Is
new
this
steam
seriously
generator.
sponsored by
It
Philips?
makes ironing
Oh my
effortless by
god.
recognizing any fabric and adjusting steam and temperature. New Philips Perfect Care 9000 series. Effortless ironing, excellent results. There's always a way to make life better.
The bottle fell. The birdhouse. The mash. Oh. Stamp with an X. Wow. That's bad. Oh, why is the lounge chair so long? Are they just tricking me? No, I'm never falling in that trick. Also, do you think bottles can play?
If cameras and artificial intelligence are the future,
Oh
they're
my
already
god.
in Philips' new steam
Save me.
generator. It makes
Save me
ironing
from this
effortless
ad
by
right now.
recognizing any fabric
This
and
ad
adjusting
is
steam and
literally
temperature. New
annoying.
Philips Perfect Care 9000 series. Effortless ironing,
The ad is
excellent results.
literally
There's always a way to make
so
life better. Philips.
annoying. Literally so annoying. It's also embarrassing actually. I don't really like Philips products. The last time I had a TV from Philips, well, the quality sucked. Lamppost. Yes, survived that. Room. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is the mailbox so...
If cameras are artificial intelligence
I'm reading
in
with
the
this
future,
app.
they're already in Philips' new steam generator. It makes ironing effortless by recognizing any fabric and adjusting steam and temperature. New Philips Perfect Care 9000 series. Effortless ironing, excellent results.
Oh
There's
my
always a way
god,
to
when
make
will
life
this
better.
ad ever
Philips.
end? Why is there so much of that ad? Is it that we're trying to... I'm not interested with that. Oh my god. If that wasn't enough for... Was that bad? Also, that truck was a Ford F-150. And didn't I lose just now? Oh my god. I should have never do that.
If cameras are
Oh
artificial
my
intelligence in
god!
the future, they're already
Okay, I'm
in
out of
Philips'
here.
new steam